Hey guys, welcome back to Fully Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuses for the ignition switch are located. Stay with us, we're going to explain that in this video today. Now, you may have up to 2 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. We're going to cover where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today, absolutely free for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the ignition switch fuse, guys, where it is located, we're going to demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord. You have 3 different fuse boxes. We'll work in 2 of them today. And if you go to the driver's side, on the inside, under the dash, if you look, guys, right there, upside down, right above the pedals in the corner, if you look, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. But now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a very good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we'll need to check here, guys, if you come and you zoom in, you will see numbers next to the fuses, right? So that makes it convenient. The fuse that we need to check in that fuse box, and we need to go to another one, is fuse number 9. Talking about a 20 amp fuse right here, fuse number 9. And if we open the hood, guys, okay, under the hood on your Honda Accord, you have a main fuse box right here. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see that layout right here. Now, here, guys, good and bad news. You have that special fuse that consists of 8 individual fuses. This one consists of 2, and this one right here on the side consists of 6 fuses. These fuses, guys, could be okay, really hard to find, expensive. Let me show you what they look like so you get an idea. That's the side view. It consists of individual fuses integrated in one big fuse. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. That's what it looks on top, you can see. Now, we'll put the link where you can get them from in the description of the video below so you don't waste your money, guys. You can save some money. And here, if you look, that fuse consists of 8 individual fuses. Starting on the very right side, you count the first fuse, which is known as 3.1. That 50 amp fuse will need to be checked right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.